Where's the car?
The car is in front of the garage. Now the car is in the garage.
Where is the basketball net?
The basketball net is above the garage.
Where is the garage?
The garage is below the basketball net.
Where is the fence?
The fence is behind the house.
Where is the barbecue?
The barbecue is between the house and the swing.
Where is the swing?
The swing is next to the barbecue.
Where is the little girl?
The little girl is on the swing. Look! A pigeon is flying over the house toward the swing.
Where is the pigeon?
The pigeon is on top of the swing.
Where is the cat?
The cat is under the swing.
Where is the little boy?
The little boy is near the little girl.
Where is the little girl's mother?
She's on the driveway. She is far from the little girl. Look! The pigeon is flying away from the swing.
What is the pigeon doing now?
It is flying around the house.
Where is the pigeon?
It is sitting among the flowers. Now it is flying past the house.
Look, the cat is running along the yard and into the garage. The cat is coming out of the garage. The cat jumped onto the swing. Now jumped off the swing and over the bushes. It is running up the stairs and down the stairs. Now it's passing through the tunnel.
The kids are running across the lawn. Prepositions of place: above, below, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, in, between, among, near, far from. Prepositions of movement: under, over, onto, off, away from, toward, past, through, up, down, out of, into, along, across, around. Thanks for